Hello guys, how are you doing? In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make really passive money in 2020, $4,000 a month in passive income, and this is going to be really something of really practical video. And if you are ready to put in the work and apply the strategy which I am going to show you in this video, you can definitely make $4,000 a month in passive income. And after that, if you even leave the work, if you don't do any of the work, even then you are going to make that money just resting, okay, or traveling the world, or whatever you want you are doing. But you have to just put in some work in the front end, and after that you will be reaping the fruits for a very long period of time. So this is going to be really interesting. Watch this video till the end. This is going to be long video, so just pay close attention. So now let's jump with the content without wasting any of your time, because I know your time is really very important. So first of all, what we will be doing is we will be going to this website which is known as clickfunnels.com. Clickfunnels is a funnel building software and also a website creating software. So this is the software which we are going to promote, and the best thing about this software is that it pays you recurring commissions, okay. So ClickFunnels costs almost $100 every single month, and if someone signs from your affiliate link to ClickFunnels, then what is going to happen is that you are going to receive 40% of commission. So every single month that person is going to pay $100 and you are going to get $40 passively from that person. So this is what is ClickFunnels. All you need to do is go to over this website, just click here on the start the 14-day trial and just create an account, and you can get your affiliate link from over here. That's it. First step over, boom, you have took the first step which will make you some money. So the first step is that just go to the ClickFunnels website, sign up and get your affiliate link. Now if you don't know where is the affiliate link in the ClickFunnels, you can definitely find it. It is really easy. All you need to do is sign up and go to your dashboard, and here in the corner you can find the affiliate link. Okay, now after you get the affiliate link, now what you have to do is you have to go to this website which is known as keyword and the word, you know that, okay. And what you have to do is just type in the word ClickFunnels, and you can see all this 805 keywords have popped up over here. Now all these keywords, you just have to take out the keywords which are relevant or which may seem some relevant to you, or you may you think that these keywords would work. Just take out almost 50 to 100 keywords out of this, okay, and just paste it on the notepad, okay. If you don't know where is notepad in your computer, then I don't think that you know how to operate a computer. So that's why all you need to do is copy these keywords, okay. You can press Ctrl A and copy all the keywords to notepad of your computer, okay. And now another thing what you have to do is go to this website which is known as answerthepublic.com, okay. This is also a free website where you get everything for free, and I search for the keyword which is ClickFunnels. Okay, now what is this website? This website provides you with the questions, okay, which people are searching on Google. And here you can see I just found 86 questions which people are searching on Google which are related to ClickFunnels. Now after going to this website, you can find all this questions which are related to ClickFunnels. Now what you can do is that you can utilize all these keywords, okay. And really how we are going to utilize all this keyword. Now the first two steps are taken. The first step is that get your affiliate links. Second step, boom, is that you just have to go to this keyword, okay, this website. I'm not going to pronounce it, and just get all the keywords, okay. It may take some time. Just think whichever are the most relevant, just take out those keywords, okay. Then go to this website and search for the keyword which is ClickFunnels. You can also search what is ClickFunnels, anything. All the related questions will come out over here in this website. Got it? Okay, so the first two steps are completed. You have got the keywords, okay. Now you have got almost 100 you have got almost 50 to 100 keywords from over here, okay. Now you have also got 50 to 100 keywords from this website. So you are almost ready fit with almost 200 keywords. Now you have got 200 keywords. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to use all these keywords, almost all the 200 keywords, as topics or as search terms or as topics. Okay, we are going to create content on these keywords. Now we are going to create video content. Okay, we are not going to write a blog or articles, but we are going to create videos. And how we are going to create videos is what I'm gonna show you in this video. So watch this video till the end. First of all you need to do is download this software, which is known as OBS Studio. Okay, this is a screen recording software. All the affiliate gurus, all the marketers use this software for making screen recording videos, just like the one I am you are watching. Okay, this is also a screen recording video which is created by the software which is known as OBS Studio. And another thing which you require is a microphone. Your laptop already has an inbuilt microphone which you can use. Okay, don't worry about the sound quality in starting, but after you make some money, just invest some of your money in buying a good microphone. That's it. Okay, so just do it. Okay, now once you get the software and install it in your computer, no matter you are using Mac or PC, just press this plus button. Okay, once you press the plus button, all you need to do is add. Okay, and then press this plus button and add audio, and that's it. You are ready to go. Now to start recording, just click on start recording, and to stop recording, just click on stop recording. That's it. Okay, and this way you can start screen recording. Whatever happens on your screen is going to be recorded with your voice. Okay, so you just have to keep speaking. Now I will show you some of the topics. Okay, so now what you have to do is just sign up for ClickFunnels 14-day trial and learn about ClickFunnels for 1 or 2 days. Just learn how to create websites with ClickFunnels, how to create funnels with ClickFunnels. Just learn a little bit of that, and really ClickFunnels is one of the easiest website, okay, to learn. And all to create a website or funnel, all you need to do is just drag and drop. You already have ready-made templates. All you need to do is edit them. Okay, and that's it. And that's what you are going to show, and that's what you are going to screen record. Okay, now once you have done this, now let's make our first YouTube video. So the first topic is going to be ClickFunnels for artists. Now all you need to do is just go to Google and search for art website. Just search anything random one. Okay, I'm searching any of the random one, but you can just see that it is really simple. Let's open this one. So see, this is one of the art website. Okay, so you can see that what is the interface, what is the theme of this website. Now all you need to do is go to ClickFunnels, search for a theme which is simply related to, which is just something like this the theme of this website. And what you need to do is, when you find this type of templates, all you need to do is edit those templates. And while editing those templates, you have to speak some of the words, like I am dragging this and dropping it over here. I am doing this and doing this. I am using ClickFunnels to create a website, and that's what you are going to show, how to create a website. Okay, now your keyword is ClickFunnels for artists, and what you are going to show is, you are going to show to people that how to create a ClickFunnels website for artists. Okay, so you can see that ClickFunnels for artists, or how to create funnels for artists. So this is something which you can make a video about. After that, you can go for this one, ClickFunnels for retailers. Okay, you can create a website for retailers and show that ClickFunnels for retailers. Okay, so this is the second topic. The first topic video you recorded, you just have to create a 5-minute video for this, and this is really easy. All you need to do is drag and drop and keep talking. Like, I'm dragging this over here. This is how you create a ClickFunnels website for artists. That's really simple. Okay, and then you can go for ClickFunnels for retailers, ClickFunnels for dentists. And what I recommend is that you just have to follow something which is hashtag 100 videos. Yes, you have to take out 100 topics from this as well as from this and just create 100 videos on all these topics. Okay, and in those videos or in the YouTube video description you have to provide link, affiliate link of your ClickFunnels. Okay, and at the end of every video you are going to recommend that if you want to use this software to create a website as an artist, as a retailer, or as any business owner, as lawyer, as agency, then you can sign up for ClickFunnels. I have provided the link in the description, and that's it. Okay, whoever the people will watch your video and visit the link in the description and sign up for ClickFunnels, you are going to get a passive commission from them. Okay, and now once you have made a video, okay, you have created 5 minutes video. Now where you are going to find tags for the video. Okay, you got the title of the video. Okay, description, whatever you are going to write, just use the keyword ClickFunnels in your description as many times as possible. Okay, that's it. And where you are going to find tags is the website which is known as rapidtags.com. Now this is one of the best websites which provides you with all the keywords, okay, all the tags with which the best videos are ranking. And I just place the keyword ClickFunnels for artists and you can see all these tags appear. Now what I have to do is copy these tags into my YouTube videos tags, okay, and just paste there over in the YouTube tags, and that's it. And after that I am ready to publish my video, and this is how it is done. This is what it requires to earn money. You just have to create 100 videos just like this and upload videos, 2 videos a day or 3 videos a day or 4 videos, how many you can just upload. Keep uploading, stay consistent so that YouTube knows that you are consistent on its algorithm and it will definitely start promoting your videos. And with this method, with this strategy, all you need to do is work for 2 to 3 months and you are going to make money for almost 2 to 3 years in the coming future, passively traveling the world, sitting in the comfort of your home, enjoying quality time with your family, quitting your 9 to 5 job, and you are going to earn passive money. This is something which entrepreneurs are making. This is something which affiliate gurus are making. I am also making money just like this, but currently I am not active on promoting ClickFunnels. I want to be totally free or honest with you. I am not promoting ClickFunnels because I am busy in some other projects, for example my YouTube channels as well as many other things. So I am just involved in all those stuff, and due to this I am a single working person and I cannot do all the methods. Okay, but this is one of the really working strategy which you can utilize and make money online doing this simple method. Okay, and even though I cannot do all the strategies, but I can show you some of the best strategies which are really working. This is not a get rich quick scheme. You need to put in some work. And what I recommend is that check out other videos on my channel. This all videos will provide you really big value on how to make money online, affiliate marketing, as well as online business. And if you are really interested in all this content, new upcoming in this year 2020, very good content is upcoming. So just stay tuned, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.